Unfortunately, my poor carabiner couldn't take my weight, so I'll throw that away when I get home. That's too bad. I'll have to rehang the ridge line. So, of course it comes with its own little sack, but get the stuff out of it. Yeah, how do you hang this so it doesn't slip? This hammock kind of reminds me of Shug's green bean. I'm glad I went with the hunter green. I like it. There you go. It's one complete hammock. Yikes. Tree kind of left some sap all over my... Jeez. Well, pretty much all packed up to get out of here. It's kind of early. I mean, it's only, well, it's only 9:45, so. But like I said in a couple of the videos, I've got like 3 outings worth of videos to edit, so, you know, overnighter, it's good enough, I think. It'd be nice to sit here till about 5 and just relax, but I'm not upset in the least bit. So I got a little wood left over, which I'm going to pick up and take with me here. I'm just going to leave this stuff behind, this wood that I never processed. I'm going to take my flannel. Shelter's all broke down, hammocks all put away. So yeah, it's been fun. It's first time camping in a hammock from a long time ago. Still a lot to learn. I need to get an underquilt, like badly, because I think it would have solved a lot of my laying awake, kind of chilled problems which I was having. So I knew I needed one, but I thought the wool blanket would do a little bit better, and it didn't again. So it goes on my bed during the winter, which is great on my bed for winter time because I combo with other blankets. But I'm not going to sit here and carry multiple blankets out here, so underquilt is going to be the way to go. So I think that's the plan. So yeah, a couple more trips to the car and I'm out of here. So I got to come back down for my wood because there's no way I'm going to leave it. I mean, I'll take the processed wood, but the wood that's not processed, I'll let someone else cut that up. I'm not going to do it for them. I've done it in the past, left wood behind, but I didn't have a truck then, so now I have a truck, so I'm taking it with me. And of course, I packed out all my garbage. It's either in the truck already, because once I was done with it, I just went and put it away, or I bagged it. So I left it actually better than I found it, because I ended up picking, because David and I had been coming out here, well Eric too a little bit, but because we've been coming out and picking up trash, there was a lot less to clean up. So I picked up a can here and there, picked up a bottle here and there, but for the most part it was pretty clean. So I picked up a few up on where I parked, you know, just people probably throwing them out the window. So as always, thanks for watching. I appreciate your views. I look forward to your comments, your critiques, your questions. You know, feel free to ask any questions you have, or if you want to see videos, let me know. I'll be more than happy to shoot videos for you on request. You know, it gives me video ideas too, so you know, sort of a one hand washes the other deal. So, and I will catch you on the next video.